What's up everybody, Car Nutrition here, and today we're going to be checking out the Milwaukee M18 hotshot jump starter. This is their new product that'll jump vehicles off an M18 battery. So let's get it open and check it out. So this is one of Milwaukee's newer releases that I was very excited about. Just to have that preparedness of having to jump a vehicle and not having a charged jump pack. I always have plenty of charged batteries on me, so that wouldn't be an issue. Out of the box, you got your pamphlet, and here's your unit. It's got rubber feet, so if you're putting it on an engine bay, it won't slip around. There's that. So I got a battery here. Plug that in. So simple press and it's on. So cool feature. You have a USB port here, so you can turn that on. You got a flashlight here. Oh, that's pretty bright. All right, 3 mode settings, a strobe, so I guess you can alert people that you have an incident. And then here are your clamps. Pretty nice unit. Not too big, not too heavy. This is cool too, so it'll give you your battery voltage and what % you're at. And then that would be your jump button to start. So this will also act as a charger. A few other functions this has that are pretty cool. So obviously you have your charge and then your start engine button. But this will also tell you if you have reverse polarity. So if you hook the negative on the wrong part of the battery terminal or the positive on the wrong terminal. So that's pretty cool. It's got an over or under temperature sensor, an overload warning. So that's pretty cool. And this thing will also jump diesel motors up to a 3.0 liter and 8.1 liter gas engines. So I mean, this thing is built pretty well to take care of everything you need to. So check it out. This is definitely going to be riding around on the truck, whether it's having to jump my own vehicle or help people out. Check it out. Make sure to like and subscribe this video for more videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.